Good morning, everyone. This is Michelle from Best Stop Exchange, appliance shop located in Newport News, Virginia at 14862 Warwick Boulevard, Newport News, Virginia. Our phone number is 757-898-5772. Here at Best Stop Exchange, we fully refurbish, clean up, and sanitize any and all appliances that we sell. We're currently working on this Samsung electric range for a customer, and so we're doing the testing on it. So currently at the moment everything tests out great. The only thing that didn't test out good was the bake element. So I had to do a little bit of investigating as to why the bake element wasn't functioning properly. So I took the back off, and first thing I wanted to do was inspect the electrical related to the bake element. So the bake element is down here. You got two terminals. You got this terminal right here, and then you got that terminal right there that connects to the bake element. And so the very first thing that I noticed was that the spade terminal that's connected to this bake element is all corroded. Now this is indicative of somebody doing a previous repair, because I can very easily look at this and see that that spade terminal is not original to the stove. So at some point the original spade terminal probably had a loose contact, was causing a lot of arcing and burnt up. So somebody went in here and did a repair, and they did not do the repair properly. I can tell that they did not use a proper spade terminal. Now whenever you're doing an electrical repair on an electric range, you have to make sure that you use high temp spade terminals. So this is a prime example of what happens if you don't use the proper high temp spade terminal. Over time it will start to corrode and it'll get all burnt up like this. And so this was a faulty repair that was done previously by whatever previous owner had this stove. So it's very important to make sure that you use the proper parts when doing electrical repairs. This is very dangerous and it could have caused a fire. So we're going to fix this. We're going to put the proper spade terminal on there, and we're going to get this stove cleaned up and repaired for our customer, and it'll be good to go. The bake element is good. We tested it for continuity, and it's good. It's a good bake element. Just that spade terminal right there that is all burnt up and no good. So we'll do a follow-up video to show you the repair. Thank you. Okay everyone, so following up again with the Samsung electric range stove that had the burnt up spade terminal, because whoever swapped it out prior to did not use a high temp spade terminal. So we've repaired the spade terminal. We've got the high temp stainless steel spade terminal on there. This is a high temp one. So this one's going to be good. So once we got the old one off, we did further investigation, and it looks like whoever attempted to do a repair on this prior to the terminal where the spade terminal connects to on the bake element, one part of it had actually burnt up and they jimmy rigged it. So this is not where the spade terminal connects to. Let me show you what it should look like. It should look like this. There's a part of the Samsung bake element that is like an L shape that goes upwards. You see where the spade terminal is attached here. This is what it should look like. So that part had burnt up and somebody jimmy rigged it, which is not good. That's not safe, and it caused further problems going forward in the future, which is probably why they got rid of the stove. But if they did the proper repair initially and just got themselves a new bake element and put on the proper spade terminal, they would have saved themselves probably $1,000. Because to get a brand new stove at Home Depot, Lowe's, or Best Buy, it's going to cost you anywhere between $8,000 to $1,000. So we're going to go ahead and swap out the bake element on this, so that way we can do a proper repair and get this in a sellable condition for our customer. Okay, take care.